Right now, I'm going to show you how you can create a resume on the Microsoft Word. If you're new to Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So of course, you can open up the Word app, and at the top, you can see we have a couple of templates to be selected, and we can go in at the top corner and click on more templates in there, and you can browse through them and potentially find what you are looking for. So as you can see, some like newsletters and so on, right? So if you're looking for something specific and you have it available in here, then you can definitely click on it and try to start with that, right? So as you can see, I have like already one resume template in there, and I can as well see a couple of in there too. So you can see that I can choose this one and essentially type in some different things, change some, it's a template, so I can fill in my first name, last name, phone number, whatever, and that's how I could approach this. However, I still believe that it's better to look up the templates through the Safari or web browser. So as you can see, this is a Safari window, and I can go to the Word templates, right? So that's what I'm going to look up. And essentially in here, you want to go to the official like Microsoft website, right? So as you can see, we have the word.cloud.microsoft and free document templates, right? So I'm going to click on it like this, and I'm going to view all Word templates like that. And we are essentially inside of this web version of the Word, right? So I'm just gonna sign in with my account there. Even though I am already signed inside of the Word app, I'm gonna sign into the web version as well, right? And in here, you can see that I can browse plenty of different things. And the difference is that now the selection of templates is much bigger. Like I can literally type in the resume in here. And as you can see, in the Word app, I had like one or two options to pick from, and here it's kind of like endless, right? So you can find literally any style of the template that you like. For example, I'm going to choose this one with the blue background. I can click on it as such, and I will have the ability to kind of like edit it right away inside of the web version of the Microsoft Word. But it should also then appear in the actual app. Like if I start working on something, it should be part of this like Word app as well, or you can as well export it and perhaps even edit it in the web version if you would really want it to. But as I say, on the web, we have more templates to pick from. So that's how I would personally go through it. And let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. I'm going to wrap it up, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.